Are you confused between the response of FIDI data and the SGX Nifty? Then this video is for you. Basically, whatever happens, lots of the time that FIDI data is showing us a bullish sentiment and SGX Nifty is showing us a bearish sentiment, and we got confused that what will be the market will show today. So let me answer this question in very simple words. So let's check what SGX Nifty shows us. Okay, it shows us an overnight sentiment. It shows whether it will be a gap down or gap up today, and it shows us a global market impact and why it is powerful. Back basically it reacts real time. Okay. Secondly, it shows us global money flow instantly, and it gives us a pre-market direction. And now, secondly, what FIDI data shows us is it actually shows the institutional money flow in the Indian market. Secondly, it shows us market strength and weakness, and also the trend sustainability. And why it is powerful? Because big players show actually sets the trend, right? And it helps us to understand who is actually in control. And yes, it works better for context, not timing. So now let us quickly break in, exact how to use it. So if SGX Nifty is up, but FII is buying, though, so it is a strong bullish sentiment, and we can go for buy on dips. The second scenario is if SGX is up and FII is selling, then it could be a trap. So avoid and wait for some time, right? Now the third scenario is SGX is down and FI is selling. Then once again it is a strong bearish sentiment, and we can choose sell on rise. Third one is SGX is down and FI is buying. Once again it could be a reversal. So trade carefully. If you want similar meaningful videos, then please like, share, and subscribe.